Let's start from the beginning. If you're thinking of launching your business on Amazon in the year 2024, what are the things that you should be doing and what are the things that you should not be doing? Let's get started. Amazon, just like any business model, keeps on evolving. So if you're looking for a stable, comfortable business, this is certainly not the right business for you. However, what business is not challenging? How Amazon operates is very similar to other businesses as well, but two things to keep in mind is number one, businesses are always evolving, and so is Amazon. Number two, consistency is king. Trying again and again, even if you fail, is also very important. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. If you are a loyal subscriber, then welcome back. We are a certified Amazon service provider and we support sellers on Amazon in the Middle East. If you're looking for help and support, even if you are still in the beginning phases, go ahead and book a call with our team on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. You'll also find a great downloadable PDF in our description box with a few tips and tricks. Now let's talk about the Amazon business model. It's very important for you to understand how Amazon operates so that you understand what your responsibilities are as a seller. So Amazon is just that. It's just a marketplace. It will provide you three main things. Number one, Amazon has a lot of customers, and by selling on Amazon, you can expose your products or your business to these customers. And most of these customers are very loyal. Number two, Amazon has a great payment gateway, which is a problem for a lot of sellers, especially sellers that are based in the Middle East. So you don't have to worry how the payment is done, and you don't need to worry about all of those details. Number three, Amazon has a great logistics system. And customers really love the logistics system of Amazon because Amazon delivers products within 1 day. Literally, Amazon operates one of the most successful membership systems or membership cards known as Prime, with over 100 million subscribers around the world who are literally just subscribed to Prime so that they can get free shipping and they can get their products in the same day or next day. So by becoming a seller on Amazon, you have access to all of these things. Now, of course, because Amazon owns the marketplace, they have rules and regulations in place. These rules and regulations are made so that everything is fair and so that whatever is happening from the seller side, it's not affecting the customers. Basically, Amazon is a customer-first platform, meaning they want to protect the customer. And as business owners selling on Amazon, we have to abide by these rules and regulations, sometimes even if we don't agree with them. Now, as a seller on Amazon, you're essentially the business owner or the product owner. So you are responsible for the product, be that the quality of the product or the product page itself where you're gonna be showcasing your product to the Amazon customer. Number two, you're also responsible for the marketing and advertising of this product on the Amazon platform so that a lot of customers can view your product. Remember, Amazon is somewhat of an open marketplace and there are going to be a lot of other sellers which you're going to have to compete with. So you have to be smart in how you, just like in any business environment, are able to promote your business and your product so that customers can buy from you and not from someone else. Now, there are two business models or two ways of selling on Amazon. But before I tell you, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you are not already. Make sure you thumbs up this video and leave me a comment in the comment section below. And by the way, if you do all of those things, you'll be eligible to win a consultation call with me where we go through all the details of or any questions you might have about selling on Amazon. Watch the video after this one to know if you won. As a seller on Amazon, you have the opportunity to sell your own brand, what we call private label. This is your own product, this is your own brand name. Or you're able to find products that are currently already available on Amazon and just simply become a reseller. We call this also wholesaling because it mimics wholesaling in real life, how you would find wholesalers selling in bulk products for other manufacturers. Now, even though you're selling on the same platform on Amazon using these two unique business models, trust me, it's completely different when you're thinking about wholesaling, reselling, or private label. We focus a lot on private label and selling your own brand because this is a really viable business model, specifically in the Middle East. Now let's move on to 3 tips that you need to think about. And this is specifically if you're doing private label selling or you're selling your own products. And by the way, you might already have your own products and you're selling them in retail, and now you're thinking, should I be selling them on Amazon? So these tips apply to you. Or you might be somebody looking to just get started on the Amazon platform. You're looking to start an e-commerce business, or you're already selling, but you don't have actual products, and now you have the luxury, you actually have the benefit of creating a product perfectly fit for the marketplace. Now let's start off with number 1, choosing the right product. Remember what we said, Amazon has its own loyal customers. So choosing the right product basically means choosing the right product for the platform or for the customers that are already on the platform. You might find the product doing quite well on TikTok as an example, but you also need to make sure that it is being searched for and it has demand on Amazon. Why? Because that's where you're selling the product. And if you think about it, if a product doesn't have demand, it's going to be quite difficult to sell it because customers simply don't want it. So when we're talking about choosing a right product, you need to do your market research on the Amazon platform itself, where your potential customers are already shopping. Now you can do this manually, or you can use tools that can provide you data, and that's what we constantly talk about, make data-driven decisions about metrics and KPIs related to selling on Amazon. There are a lot of tools out there. We normally recommend using Helium 10. And if you want to know a little bit more information or you want a nice discount code, you'll find all of that information in the description box of this video. Number 2, understanding Amazon's fees and costs. Well, obviously Amazon is a marketplace, and they also want to be profitable, just like we want to be profitable. So it's very essential that you understand how the fee process works, and before you launch any product, you need to understand whether or not that product might be potentially profitable or not. And of course, you need to have a strategy. Of course, just like in any business, when you launch a product in the beginning, then you're not going to be very profitable, but you need to understand how the fees work so that you can calculate the structures correctly. Number 3, you should and need to optimize your product listing. Sometimes I think an optimized product page or product listing is even more important than choosing the right product. Very much like in real life, having a great salesperson on your team can help you sell even if you're selling a standard product that everyone else has. And it's simply because people connect with great images, great content, and great information. And sometimes you're able to convince someone that's not really, not really essential for them to buy your product just because you create great pages. So don't make a mistake thinking that if you just choose the right product and it's great quality and people are searching for it and you just simply list it basically on Amazon, then it's gonna sell. No. Nowadays, in 2024 and beyond, I'm sure this is no longer the case. You really need to work hard on creating these really well-optimized product pages so that you can convince as many customers as possible that they should be buying from you on the Amazon platform. If you're looking for more information about how to do product research, then I would suggest to watch this video. And I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.